In a small village, there lived a poor man named Karim. He owned a tiny mud house and worked hard every day as a laborer. Although he earned very little money, Karim always wore a smile on his face. Many villagers wondered why Karim was so happy. He did not have expensive clothes, a big house, or a lot of wealth. Yet he greeted everyone kindly and helped those in need whenever he could. One day, a rich merchant asked him, "Karim, how can you be happy when you have so little?" Karim smiled and replied, "I may not have much money, but I have a loving family, good health, honest work, and a peaceful heart. These are treasures that money cannot buy." Every evening, Karim sat with his wife and children. They shared simple meals, told stories, and laughed together. Their home was small, but it was filled with love. One year, a severe storm damaged many houses in the village, including Karim's. Despite his own troubles, Karim helped his neighbors repair their homes. His kindness inspired others to help one another. Soon, the entire village worked together. Houses were rebuilt, and friendships grew stronger. The villagers realized that true happiness comes not from wealth, but from gratitude, kindness, and strong relationships. Karim continued to live a simple life, but his heart remained rich with joy. People remembered him as the happiest man in the village. As the years passed, Karim's kindness became known throughout the village. Whenever someone faced a problem, they would visit him for advice. One day, a traveler arrived in the village. He had journeyed through many cities and countries. Hearing about Karim, he decided to meet him. The traveler found Karim repairing a neighbor's fence. "Are you the happy man everyone talks about?" the traveler asked. Karim smiled. "People say many things. I simply try to do my best each day." The traveler was surprised. "I have seen rich people living in large mansions who are unhappy. What is your secret?" Karim replied, "Every morning, I thank God for a new day. I work honestly, help others when I can, and spend time with my family. When I focus on what I have instead of what I lack, my heart stays peaceful." The traveler thought deeply about these words. A few weeks later, the village suffered a long drought. Crops began to dry, and many families worried about their future. Karim's family had only a small supply of food left. Instead of keeping everything for himself, Karim shared part of his food with an elderly widow who had no one to help her. His children asked, "Father, what if we run out of Food. Kareem gently replied, kindness never makes us poorer. When we help others, we grow richer in ways that cannot be counted. The villagers soon learned about Kareem's generosity. Inspired by his example, they started sharing whatever they could. Some offered food, others offered water, and some helped with work. Together, the village survived the difficult season. When the rains finally returned, everyone celebrated. That day, the village chief stood before the people and said, Kareem may not be the richest man among us, but he has the richest heart. The villagers cheered, and Kareem humbly lowered his head. That evening, as he sat with his family under the shining stars, Kareem felt grateful. He knew that happiness was not found in gold or riches. It was found in love, kindness, and a thankful heart. After the drought ended, the village fields became green again. The farmers worked hard, and the harvest was better than anyone had expected. One morning, Kareem was walking to work when he found a small leather bag lying beside the road. He opened it and discovered that it was filled with gold coins. For a moment, he stood silently. The gold could change his life. He could buy a larger house, new clothes, and many other things. But Kareem knew the gold did not belong to him. He took the bag to the village square and announced, someone has lost this bag of gold. Please come and claim it. Later that day, a wealthy merchant rushed into the square. That is my bag, he cried. I lost it while traveling through the village. The merchant counted the coins and found that none were missing. You are honest man, the merchant said. Please accept half of the gold as a reward. Kareem politely shook his head. I cannot take what I did not earn, he replied. Seeing the bag return to its owner is reward enough.